Hello everyone, my name is Tarun Kumar Gautam, ABES Engineering College, Ghaziabad. Here we are discussing about unit number 1 of Python programming. In previous lecture, we have seen the all basic information about the Python. In this lecture, we will discuss about the installation of the Python programming. In previous lecture, we have seen advantage of the Python, disadvantage of the Python, scope of the Pythons, what is the main features of the Python, and also see the history of the Python. How Python is evolved with the passage of the time and become the very popular language. What is the main features so that we can say that the Python is a popular. So all these things we have finished in previous lectures. In these lectures, we will deal about the installation of the Python programming. We will see step by step of the installation of the Python program, and it's very easy. First, the Python we can say that the Python provides all the software of the programming on the website www.python.org. For the installation process, go to the official website of the Python www.python.org. When you open this website, you can see the menu of download. In the download, you download the file of the Python 3.9.4.exe. The executable file or binary file you will find on this link, and you can save this .exe setup on your download part. When you download this .exe file and execute .exe file on your laptop or computer, then installation is complete on your laptop. It is a part number 1. If you have recently installed the Python on your computer, you will might seen the new IDLE program. आइडियली हमारे पास क्या है? आइडियली की फुल फॉर्म है हमारे पास इंटीग्रेटेड डेवलपमेंट एंड लर्निंग इन्वायरमेंट. बेसिकली पाइथन जो आपने इंस्टॉल करा है उसने एक आपको टूल दे दिया जिसके द्वारा द यू कैन डू द प्रोग्रामिंग ऑन द टूल एंड गेट योर प्रोग्रामिंग पार्ट इंफॉर्मेशन एंड रन द पार्ट इंडेंटेशन एरर आल्सो. तो दिस आइडियली टूल, after complete your installation in your laptop, the taskbar you create, you will find the two part. First is Python shell, second thing is IDLE. Both will work for your programming. Okay, anyone you can use. तो आइडियली आपको मिलेगा आपको टास्क बार के अंदर, तो पाइथन शेल भी मिलेगा आपको. पाइथन शेल, पाइथन आइडियली, बोथ विल यू प्रोवाइड. Ideally, in graphical user interface GUI desktop environment, the installation process puts an icon or desktop or object in your desktop menu that is launch of Python. आपको एक GUI बन के आ जाएगी इस तरह से 3.7. आपको टेक्स्ट बार के अंदर मिलेगा. स्टार्टअप मेन्यू में जाइए, पाइथन क्लिक करिए तो वहां पर आपको दिस आइडियली और शेल विल बी ओपन. ओके, इस पर काम करना बहुत ईजी है. टू वर्क ऑन इट इज वेरी इजीली. When you open the shell, the Python 3.7.4 shell is open. You will write directly print ABES Engineering College. When you print ABES Engineering College by using the command of print, then enter the command at one time and Python return the result of the each command. For example, आपने यहाँ पर लिखा print ABES Engineering College, तो आपने ब्लू अक्षर में देखिए लिखा होगा वहाँ पर ABES Engineering College. It will be the output of the ABES और ABES Engineering College as a output of Python जो आपने प्रिंट करने कहा था उससे. तो इट्स मीन इट्स वर्किंग ऑन द शेल. इट्स इजी टू इंटरेक्ट विद इट, जो मैंने आपको पहले से डिस्कस किया था. तो दैट्स कॉल्ड पाइथन शेल. फॉर दिस मेन्यू बार यू कैन रीस्टार्ट द शेल व्हेन यू वर्क अदर प्रोग्राम ऑन इट. तो यू विल रीस्टार्ट द शेल एंड बिहेव इफ यू आर लॉन्च इन द न्यू इंस्टेंस ऑफ द पाइथन आइडियली. The shell will forget anything from the former stage. It means when you open its new, it will create the new stage and you can exit by the right of exit command. In other part, when you work on the IDLE, click on the IDLE. When the IDLE is open, I recommended use the IDLE part beside of the shell, and in the same working as IDLE or shell, both are same, but the difference is when you working on the IDLE, each program is saved in your C part, C library of the folder of the Python. So first thing, click on the file, make a new file, write a program, run the program and save is by the program name and .py in your libraries. Libraries मतलब जहाँ पर आपके C के अंदर, जो आप कंप्यूटर में C पार्ट में जहाँ पर आपका पाइथन सॉफ्टवेयर पड़ा है उसके अंदर आपका पाइथन का जो एक फोल्डर होगा उसके अंदर वो सेव होता रहेगा. For example, you are making a program of some program to save sum.py. Py is the syntax of the Python. Okay. Python ideally इसमें includes होते हैं the file editor allowing you to write and run the programs. To build in file editor also applies the many tools to speed up the coding workflow such as the code completion, automatic indentation. इसमें होता है. Okay. So it is a part. It's a very simple process to installation of the IDE. When you want to run a file, जो आप उसको run करना चाहते हो, you must first ensure that it has been saved. It should be saved and marked by check by the asterisk star around the file name at the top of the file editor window to see whether the file is correct or saved or not. Okay. You can simply write the program. Here you can see the example of the ID is the input and if else program, simple if else program. After this program is executed, you can run the program and find your output. Simple. So it's a simple step to installation of the Python. First, open the www.python.org is official website. Go to the download options and download the file of .exe. It will depend upon 32-bit or 62-bit. After that, in task menu, there two parts will be created, ideally Python ideally or Python shell. I recommend it ideally use integrated development learning environment. It is a tool. When you open the IDLE, form a new file, new file, write a program, save is as a program name .py in your folder and run the program. When you want to run again another program, same process will be follow. Go to the file, create a new file, run the program and get your output. Okay. That is till now we have completed all the information of the Python, means basic information of the Python. Advantage, disadvantage, scope, features, installations, and framework also. In upcoming videos, we will deal about the basics of the Pythons, mean data type, literals, literal collections, and input and output working of the Python. Okay. This is some reference you can use for upgradation of your knowledge and Python programming. Thank you.